What is SKETCHWARE? SKETCHWARE is an IDE which works straight from Android device, no need of PC. Hey guys, this is Jokhio. Sorry guys, I was really busy, so I was not able to upload new videos for a long time. But now I am starting a series for beginners, for absolute beginners, and when I'm busy I will continue uploading short videos for beginners, and I will be back with big projects very soon. Then I will continue big projects and small videos for beginners in parallel. So this is first video of that series. What is SKETCHWARE? SKETCHWARE is an IDE which works straight from Android device, no need of PC, for creating Android apps. Is it difficult? No, it's easy. SKETCHWARE is designed so that even people with no programming experience can create apps. Now let's read what their websites say about them. Imagine, create and share. Develop on the go. Program, compile and run straight on your device. There is no complicated setup needed, just install SKETCHWARE. Block language. You don't need any prior programming experience. Simply connect Lego-like blocks to create logics for your application. Source code translation. Finished projects are automatically translated into Java and XML. Your project is fully compatible with Android Studio. They say that, but if you don't have good programming understanding, you won't be able to import your projects in Android Studio. But it works fine, that's okay. Sharing. You can share your finished projects, like and comment on your favorite projects. See what others are thinking and creating. Stop waiting, start building. Let's get started. So those guys who don't have SKETCHWARE, now go to Play Store and download this app in your Android device. Everything needs a language. So creating Android apps, we also need a language. But which programming language do SKETCHWARE uses? We don't need to think about it because they already told us. They use Java for logic behind these blocks and XML for UI designing and keeping resources. Now open SKETCHWARE and create a project. Enter a name and package name. Now package name is really important because it is identifier for your app. Whenever you want to upload and update to Google Play, you have to keep it same which you have wrote in previous version. Otherwise it will be counted as a new app. And below there give it a project name. It is also important. As for just name, which is at top, you can keep it anything, but these two are important. From these colors, change your app's color scheme. Variables in SKETCHWARE. First we will discuss about Boolean. So as we know, SKETCHWARE uses Java for logic. So let's learn what is Boolean in Java. Java Booleans. Very often in programming, you will need a data type that can only have one of two values, like yes or no, on or off, true or false. For this, Java has a Boolean data type which can take the values true or false. Boolean values. A Boolean type is declared with the Boolean keyword and can only take the values true or false. Boolean expression. A Boolean expression is a Java expression that returns a Boolean value, true or false. You can use a comparison operator such as the greater than operator to find expression or a value is to find out. Let's see an example in SKETCHWARE. Now create a Boolean variable. If you see it in source code, initially SKETCHWARE set its value as false. Add a text view and set width match parent and add a button. For this Boolean example, on button click, we will choose if-else block from yellow palette. We are placing our Boolean here. So if that Boolean is true, code placed in first section will be executed. Else if it is false, code in second section will be executed. On every time button click, we will also change Boolean state. If it is true, then false, and vice versa. Sorry, I have placed code in wrong sections. Let me reverse it. Now that's alright. So you can see how Boolean works. Now let's have a look at Boolean expression example. Now this time at space of Boolean, we will place that greater than operator block from operator palette. This operator compares two numbers and tells if first number is greater than second or not. These numbers could be any kind of numbers, such as length of a list. Let's try this example with another number. A string variable in Java can hold text, just simply any kind of text. For example, we will create two string variables and swap between their text in our text view on click of our button. We will store text in our strings at on create of our activity. This is same code which we have created for our first Boolean example. what we have to do is just set strings as text of the text view. I just hope my tutorials will be helpful in the journey of learning Android app development. Happy learning, stay blessed. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.